Nexillumi 120 watt 6000K garage light pack of 2. This garage light has a really easy installation. This is everything straight out of the box. There are 2 garage lights in this pack. When in use, they can either be flat or deformed to angle the light. This garage light fits into a standard E26 bulb socket.
Hi, we needed to change out the light in our garage. This is a regular incandescent lamp we have on the wall. As you can see, it really doesn't put much light out. I'm going to switch it for our new light. So we've got this LED light. As you can see, it's got 4 panels. You can change the direction of them. Let's see how much light this puts out now. Screws into the lamp base. Wow, look at that. And as you can see, I can angle them. I can angle them where I need the light. That's really cool.
Energy efficient and effective. Love my Nexillumi Garage Lights. Thanks for listening and watching my video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.